grilling is at its best when it's with friends. Lynx teamed up with Kent Rathbun, restaurateur and Iron Chef winner, and Kevin Garvin, executive chef for Neiman Marcus, to create a truly unique culinary experience.
That's about as good as it gets right there.
They faced more than 50 of the toughest food and wine critics who experienced the Lynx outdoor kitchen for the first time.
It's going to be fantastic.
And the results were spectacular.
It's really good. And I cut it with a fork, so I'm still pretty impressed by that.
What's going on, man?
Chef, how are you? Come and look at this oven.
What do you think of my new toy out here?
Look at this thing. Watch this. Watch this thing.
This thing is awesome, man. You want to know what we're doing here? We got a couple of ducks that we're roasting on the rotisserie, and then we got a bunch of really beautiful steaks that we're going to mark off on the grill, and then we're going to actually finish them in the pizza oven. It's going to be pretty sweet. Look at that, it's already searing in there. We're cooking on the griddle. We got garlic, we got shallots. We're getting ready to put some onions on here. We're just adding a little roasted duck to the fried rice.
Gourmet kitchen outside, can't believe it.
This is why I built the house. This is why we have Lynx equipment. This is why we cook. This is why we entertain. Everybody wants to be in the kitchen. They want to be outside, so this is the best of both worlds, you know. What we're doing here is we're cooking on outside equipment. But here's what everybody needs to remember about the Lynx equipment. This is designed for outdoors, but it's every bit as versatile and usable as anything you would ever find inside. It just gives you the opportunity to cook outside with the trees and the weather and the breeze. It's just a great alternative for cooking inside, and it's fun. I mean, come on, this is fantastic, right?
It's amazing it's cooked outdoors.
It's like professional kitchen outside. I'm totally in awe and enamored by it.
You know, I think tonight what people saw was chefs cooking on great equipment that they can cook on at home. And I think that's what's so key about all of this. The stoves, the pizza oven, I mean, it's the best. And when you get the best, you can be the best chef in your own backyard.
I want one of these grills really bad now.